God. Oh. What is that? You.
We have to. We'll get pulled over.
What up, guys? Time Master here, aka Tyrone Master P. The budget got upgraded, so I'm rolling in now, dude. We're doing the intro. About to go on the boat right now. Sunday after the race.
Memorial Day
sore,
weekend,
dude.
my boy.
I'm sore. What?
Memorial Day weekend.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I don't even know.
Piece of shit.
I'm racing, dude. I don't even know.
What else?
But how does the intro work? I don't know how this YouTube stuff works, dude.
Like,
what
make
do
sure,
I do?
Tell them like enjoy the video, like, subscribe.
Yeah, like I can't do all that YouTube stuff. Like timemasterpool.co, dude. And then his 956, you gotta show up to the facility to get this. It's elite.
Yeah, there you go.
So yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I mean, after my performance this weekend, that's what I'm rolling up to.
All right, guys, sorry for my disabled friend. We're heading out onto the boat. Listen, I like to use people, bro. I used him for connections at the track.
He pays me to hang out, dude.
Yeah,
the budget got upgraded.
The budget did get upgraded.
Honestly, I'm only here because he's paying me to be here.
The only good bonus that he's making is from me and not from riding because his performance sucks. But anyway, we're taking a number 14 out. Rockstar Honda. I wonder if that kid will recognize you. You think he would?
Probably not. Not after my performance.
Yo, look,
this
we're
weekend.
pulling up to Hangtown in that.
The Fade Master P.
Fade Master P. Yeah, we use this guy for his boat and his boat only. Yeah, we're hanging out. Nothing but guys, so kind of gay, I guess. A little sus. No homo, no diddy.
No homo.
Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. Make sure you head over to DukeGomez.com and put your credit card information on the site so I can take your money and not give you anything in return. You guys have always been supporting the movement. You like the t-shirt?
Yes,
Rate it
sir.
1 to 10.
Good day for that.
1.9.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
That's the rating of his riding abilities are. Yeah, let's have a good day. Thank you guys always for the support. Let's get into another video.
Knock on glass to save your ass. Hop on the three-wheeler.
Guys, I'm telling you this right now. I know there's little kids watching, and I'm really sorry that I have to bring this up. We'll get him out of the frame, so that's just me saying it. I don't mind gay people at all. I don't mind gay people at all. That's a little because I'll put you on blast right now.
Oh, shit.
I'll put you on blast like they did with Jeb.
I was just about to say that.
Anywho, there's a difference between being gay and being a fag. And I'm sorry to say that, but it's true. If you're gay and you like sucking dick, that's totally fine. But don't express it to the world how much you love sucking dick. Nobody cares, bro. I don't want to suck dick. But I'll hang out with you. I'm just not going to do what you do. Same thing like Lizzo. Lizzo's cheating right now. She's on Ozempic. That's cheating. Doesn't count. She's not working towards her goals. But it's the same thing with Lizzo promoting being fat. You could be fat all you want. If you're holding a gun, oh no, it's a phone. Anyway, DC, they're probably going to be hiring a new rider soon. So just hit me up. I'll be like the fastest sea rider film you've ever had. Hi, my name's Ty Swimming Pool, and
You two are the same height, so it's so nice to film you guys.
What? You know what's so fucked up too? When I went in for the surgery and they put the rod in, I begged the guy to raise me 2 inches.
You shouldn't have to break your other femur and raise you.
Jesus Christ,
Boy,
my
you
God.
can't just have one leg.
Yeah, why not? I'll be lopsided. I'll be like this. That'd be crazy. Yeah, I don't even know why you guys tune into my videos. They're literally not entertaining. Go to DukeGomez.com and buy my merch.
You son of a bitch!
You have your phone?
No, thank God.
I saw it.
I should have asked him, hey buddy, you have your phone on you by any chance? No. Pin it!
Bro, a lake is scarier than the ocean, I swear to God.
What is that?
It's like the Loch Ness.
What is that?
Fuck you!
You're looking a little toasty, my man.
I'm fat.
Look at your neck. Damn, that's all that BPC 157, my brother. That shit's putting a lot of weight on you.
got
I got fried yesterday.
mustache.
Yeah, you got cooked. Look at that tan line, dude. Oh, you gotta wear a life vest, buddy, because you can't swim?
We have to. We'll get pulled over.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
We're doing it. A little cold today, but we're out here.
Baby, you blame me, and baby, I blame you. That ain't the truth. I had some help. It ain't like I can make this kind of mess all by myself. Don't act like you ain't helped me pull it off the shelf. Been deep in every weekend. If you couldn't tell, they said see my nice and train. Hell, I had some help. Hell, I had some help.
He's gonna fire his ass back to the 9 to 5. He got dead last. 7:15 for 10th place. He thought he was gonna win a title, but his hopes took a shit. He's a fucking has-been. Alright, we're doing a bet, and this is only gonna fuck me, not really him. So I'm doing a bet with Mr. Swimming Pool here that if he goes 1-1 at any of the rounds until the end of the Pro Motocross Series, I'll shave my head.
Oh, shit. You got it on camera now.
We got it on camera? Because I have no faith in him at all whatsoever, but we'll figure it out. Oh, fuck! Woo!
The hell's this guy doing?
Yeah! Shit!
Yo, Duke, you good?
Yeah, bro, I'm just using the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra that Manscaped gave me. I'm trying to polish up my balls right now.
Why are you sitting down?
Buddy, how else do you want me to shave my fucking ass with this thing? So can you get out and give me some privacy, asshole?
My fault, bro.
My nutsack literally feels like The Rock's head right now. Should I? Am I probably not allowed to show them, right? Yeah, whatever. Guys, the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra by Manscaped. Use my code Gomez for 20% off plus free shipping at manscaped.com. If you want to polish up your beanbag, Manscaped is the way to go. And if you don't want to smell like shit, they also provide this fantastic body wash that makes you smell absolutely fantastic. So if you want to get laid, go to manscaped.com, use my code Gomez, and get yourself 20% off plus free shipping. Love yous.
The intro for today. What are we doing today?
You got a man? Hey. Yeah. We're out here at the gym trying to find our wives. Me. Just me. He's got one, camera guy's got one. I'm so seeking right now. I don't know, there's not really much in here for me to bite on, huh?
Maybe
A lot of dudes.
buff chick.
A lot of dudes. Listen, we're gonna have a trainer train us right now, and he's gonna make me look extra small. I'm already small. The worst part about me is I make fun of fat people, and I'm almost turning into everything that I once hated. So it's like, it's kind of a bad look. Look at this guy, nice and jacked. Some young man.
I haven't been in the gym in like a year and a half.
Type of dude to eat corn the long way. It is what it is, pal.
How much
watch
are
how
you
yoked
weighing?
I'm gonna be by the end of today.
How much you weigh?
170 on a good day after a meal.
Are you gonna put these guys
Yo, are
through
you gonna
shit
kill me?
right now?
No.
Wait,
Are you gonna kill me?
introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Come
He's
on.
gonna make you a little video.
We're vlogging YouTube.
He doesn't speak the best English. So.
All right.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Introduce yourself.
You can even say it in the language that you want to say it in.
It's hard for me.
What does he speak?
Marcy. You'll never understand.
I don't even know what part of the country is that?
Iran.
You're on.
He's Persian.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
Persian.
okay.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
It always sounds like they're yelling at each other. They can't just talk.
It's like being at a gas station.
7-Eleven.
Being at a gas station.
Fucking sunburn hurts so bad.
I never had the time to make a way. I only had the time to make a play. I had to learn nobody saving me. If you gon' run it up the wild way, they see I got a lot up in my plate. When you been working, it's not about the faith. She on my phone and what she about to say. She let me know. I'm just thinking about a bag. Got 85 undercovers on my ass. I hope she say yo, cause I got money bags. The feds on my dough, cause I got money stashed. Easy to get it, not gon' make it last. You gon' turn on me, I'ma watch you crash. Don't give a fuck, no one get it past.
Yo, that's actually the only one that sounds reasonable is 2.
What's the dash? Hash.
What's 100?
Sad.
That's how I feel. I feel sad.
Sad.
Sad. I'm learning.
No. Come on. I'm horrible on
What? To do what? You want to do?
I'm terrible under pressure.
Bro, I need
We're just having like a regular day in the life vlog, you know, at
Day in the life?
at the Walker's house. So at the Walker's house, he actually adopts all of us. Adoption number
daddy.
1.
Daddy
Duke
Dylan,
was
dude.
number 2. I was number 3. Now my own brother's adoption number 4. I mean, they actually just adopted another
Pretty
puppy.
much, I know.
You just love adopting kids. Don't you?
It's like an orphanage here.
This was my first. You guys were overtaking the house, trying to come in, take advantage.
We're gonna drive him out of his own house.
Taking advantage of me. It is what it is. And
What's one
This guy
thing?
deserves the title sponsor on my bike.
What's one thing you would love to say to Duke, but you just can't say it to his face?
you're a piece of shit.
He didn't even have to think twice.
You use us and you make fun of people.
No sound laugh. It's just the best.
It's
I know, you
honestly
gotta turn
perfect
the
for
camera around.
For someone
I know.
that films, because he
Yeah.
could be laughing just.
That's the funny part, because Duke is always like, I'm dying. Like, he always tells the camera that, like, to people that I'm dying laughing behind it, because no one knows.
Have you always laughed like that?
Always.
No sound.
Yeah.
That's it for today. It's time for the pool.
Oh my God, so much personality out of the guy. I apologize for letting you go.
Johnny's laughing.
I know,
No.
It's gotta be fake.
Grab the thing and just throw him. Next time.
Oh my God.
Yeah, guys. So successful week, successful bike ride for him. He just got 0.5% better. He's gonna finish 8.8 for 9th overall at Hangtown. You wanna go swim? Dash.
My last name might be swimming pool, but I drowned as a kid, dude.
Oh! And he's white. In the face?
Just one blow. On camera.
To my stomach.
Let's do stomach, yeah.
No, he wants face.
Do you want to
He
do
punches
stomach?
kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie.
All right, fine. Really? No, I'm not doing that. He'll actually hurt me. Wait, right? Why? Has he hit you?
He just punched me in the shoulder.
Did you really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let him punch me in the arm if I could like
Okay.
eat that.
All right, come in, come inside, come inside.
All right. Oh yeah, he's not hitting my face. He's not hitting my face. No. I didn't. Now he's pulling my pants down. Now my whole ass is out. That was actually.
That wasn't even a hard one. Give him one more. Good
Oh, hit him again. Hit him again. Let's teach your son violence.
My name's Chris, and I am a jackass.
Down, 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 down.
Oh!
Do not do a flip. You will break your leg. I do a flip every time. I went to a breakthrough to the bottom from there.
I'm Ty Swimmers Pool. Like, comment, and subscribe, baby.